Welcome to grayyeonmath. We are asked to solve this problem. We have a right triangle ABC with legs as 3 units and 4 units, and on the 4 unit side we have 3 yellow circles of unknown radius, uh, which are equal in terms of their radius, and they are tangent to the sides of the green right triangle, and another circle is drawn which is tangent to inside of the green triangle for 2 points at the hypotenuse and the 3 unit side, and also tangent to one of the yellow circles. Okay, so and we are required to find the area of the red circle. Okay, so since we are concerned with the area of the red circle, then we are to find the radius. But before that, we should find first the radius of the yellow circles. So, but before that, we need to find the uh, length of AB, which is the hypotenuse of the green triangle, and we can do that by subdividing this triangle into equal parts after we find the hypotenuse of this green triangle. Okay, so for the hypotenuse of this green triangle, we have AB squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. So we have AB squared is equal to AC squared is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So this becomes 9 plus 16. So AB squared is equal to 25. And if we get the square root, we have AB is equal to 5 units. Okay, so next is we draw a line from the centers of this yellow circle, center to center. So we have here these lines. Okay. So, and we label the radius as R. So R, and R, and R. And this uh, is the radius. And this is also the radius. And we actually need to subdivide this largest green right triangle into 3 parts. So we can actually draw a line from this vertex A to the center of this yellow circle, and this to B, and this from this center to C. And as you can see, we actually form 3 right triangles. So I mean not right triangles, but 3 triangles in this right triangle. So they have their bases as the sides of the right triangle and their heights as the radius of the circle. Okay, so for the one with the base of 5, the radius is R, and one with the base of 3, the radius is 5R, and one for the with the base of 4 units, it is R. The height is R. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we are to equate the area of this right triangle, that it should be equal to the area of these 3 triangles inside. So one triangle is this triangle, and the next triangle is this. So let us shade it. So this is the next. And this is the next triangle. So we can label this blue. Okay, for the shaded as red, uh, plus the area of the shaded as blue is equal to the area. I mean plus the area of the black shaded, it is equal to the total area of the triangle. So if we are going to write an equation about that, so we have uh, 1/2 times for the whole 1/2 times 4 times 3. So the base and the height, so is equal to 1/2 times for the red we have 3, the base and the height is 5r plus 1/2 times the base. For the black shaded we have 1/2 times 4 times r, and for the blue shaded we have 1/2 times 5 times r, and we can actually factor out this 1/2 on the right hand side. So 1/2 times 3 times 5r plus 4r plus 5r, and we rewrite this 1/2 times 4 times 3, and we can cancel this 1/2, and this becomes 12 is equal to 15r plus 4r plus 5r, and this becomes 24r in total. So we have 12. So divide both sides by 24. So we have r is equal to 1/2 unit. Okay, so next is we draw a line from the topmost vertex of the triangle. So we have here this. So, and from the center, we have here this line, and vertically. So this is actually a right triangle, and this hypotenuse becomes the radius of the larger circle. So plus 1/2. So let's call this as capital R plus 1/2. And for this vertical length, horizontal length, so this becomes, this is actually from this point to this point is actually 3/2. So 3/2, which because it is 3 times 1/2 of the radius of the yellow, and we need to subtract this capital R, this radius. This is capital R. So this becomes 3/2 minus R. Okay, so let us consider this angle here to be theta, and half of this is actually theta over 2, because it is from uh, joined by the two, I mean it between these two sides by two external tangents that intersect at A, point A. Okay, so we have theta over 2, and we can say the tangent of theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 2 all over 1 minus tangent theta over 2, this is squared. So tangent theta is actually 4/3, and we need to get the value for tangent theta over 2. So let's say the tangent theta over 2 is equal to a. So this becomes 2a all over 1 minus a square. So we have 4 minus 4a squared is equal to 6a. And therefore, we have to rearrange this, we have 4a squared plus 6a minus 4. So we can actually divide is equal to 0. We can actually divide this quadratic equation into 2. So we have to multiply this by 1/2. So we have 2a squared plus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. And we are to solve this resulting quadratic equation. 2a squared plus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so since we have the value of tangent theta over 2, tangent theta over 2 is equal to
Legit pa kaya doon?
1/2. And therefore, if we isolate this triangle, then this should be
Dito
r,
Yeah.
and this is theta.
Ano,
And this is the 90-degree angle. And for this to be 1/2 is equal to r over x.
Dito sa akin nga.
And this should be, if we cross multiply, we have x is equal to 2r. So this length should be 2r. Okay, so this length, this vertical length for the triangle of interest. So the vertical is actually, since this is 1/2, so this will be 5/2, this whole length. So this length is 5/2 because we just subtracted 1/2. So 5/2. And we need to subtract r, or 2r, I mean 2r. So 5/2 minus 2r. This is 5/2 minus 2r. Okay, so this length, this vertical length for the triangle of interest. So the vertical is actually, since this is 1/2, so this will be 5/2, this whole length. So this length is 5/2 because we just subtracted 1/2. So 5/2. And we need to subtract r, or 2r, I mean 2r. So 5/2 minus 2r. This is 5/2 minus 2r. Okay, so now we can actually use Pythagorean theorem since we have the two legs of the right triangle and the hypotenuse. So we have r plus 1/2 square is equal to 5/2 minus 2r square plus 3/2 minus r. Okay, so square. So we have r square plus 2 times 1/2 times r is r plus 1/4 is equal to 5 over 4. That will be 25 over 4 minus 10. 5/2 times 2 is 5. So 10 minus 10r plus 4r square plus this 3/2 becomes 9 over 4. Then minus 3r plus r square. And we can actually cancel out this r square. So we can cancel this r square. And we can multiply this all of this by 4. So we have 4r plus 1 is equal to 25 minus 40r plus 16r squared plus 9 minus 12r. And we simplify things, we have 16r squared. Then we have to combine this negative 40 and negative 12. So we have negative 40 and negative 52. So minus 4 from the left. So negative 56 r. And we have here 25 plus 9. So 25 plus 9 is 34 minus 1 is positive 33. Is equal to 0. And we are going to solve this resulting quadratic equation. So this will be 16r squared minus 56r plus 33 is equal to 0. Okay, so solving this by quadratic formula, this resulting quadratic equation, so we have 16r squared minus 56r plus 33 is equal to 0. So negative of 56, so of negative 56, that is 56 plus or minus the square of 56, negative 56 squared minus 4 times uh, 16 times 33 all over 2 times this 16. So r is equal to, so inside the radical sign gives us 1024. So 56 plus or minus the square root of 1024 all over 32. And this becomes r is equal to 56 plus or minus 32 all over 32. Okay. And 56 for the first solution is 56 plus 32 is 88. Correct? 88 over 32. R is equal to 88 over 32. And for the other solution is 56 minus 32 is 18 plus 6, 24. R is equal to 24 over 32. So if we simplify this becomes 11 over 4. And for the other one is uh, divisible by 8, so 3 over 4. Okay, so to check whether which one of this is the correct answer, so 11 over 4, if you plug it in to these two, 3 halves minus r, then you have 3 halves minus 11 over 4. This becomes 4, and this becomes 6 over 2 minus 11. So it gives you a negative value. So negative 5 over 4. So since this results to a negative length, so this is actually invalid. So we only get this 3/4. If you try to plug it in 3 halves minus 3/4, that will be 1.5 minus 0.75. So this will be 0.75. So it will be okay. So R is equal to 3 over 4. Okay. So for the area of the red triangle, we have, uh, since we now have the radius, it is now easy to find the area. So area equal to pi times, since R is 3/4, so pi r square. So area is equal to pi times 3 over 4 square. So area is equal to 9 over 16 pi square units. And that is our answer. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you like our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.